Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF pro tip, we're going to go how close should I get to the edges with my paint protection film patterns. So I got this 2023 Ford F250 over here. Yep, 250, not 350. Just installed the full fender on it, and with it being silver, silver is one of the better colors in my opinion to show paint protection film edges. So when you're doing your paint protection film installation, you always want to stay like kind of 1 to 2 millimeters away from the edge. So it's going to be very hard for the camera to pick this up, but if we come over here to this corner, the PPF runs right up to the very top of that edge. I'm not sure if you can see that right over there, where the film stops just shy of that edge. You got the corner over there, and then how the film stops just a couple millimeters back from that edge all the way down. Same thing all the way down around this lariat badge. We got the film tucked in there. Not sure if you can even see that, but this is a question that I have seen come up in the comments section over the last couple of months, and I figured I would address it in a video. The paint protection film patterns are not designed to be wrapped around the edge completely, unless it's like the hood and the fenders, for example. You would want to wrap the film around there. Most of the times people will not wrap around the fender, so I would stop about 1 to 2 millimeters away. So hope you guys found some value in this video. If you're a professional installer yourself and you're watching this and you got some comments or feedback, feel free to leave them down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel for more paint protection film content.